Hi guys and welcome back to my channel. Today's tutorial is all about how you can contour and highlight your face. Basically the purpose of contouring is to add depth and shadows in certain parts of your face, and whereas the purpose of highlighting is to highlight and enhance the areas which are prominent, like our forehead or center of our nose or cheekbones. The first thing that you all need to know about contouring is identify your face shape first. There are different face shapes, and for different face shapes there are different contouring techniques. So if you want to learn that how you can contour and highlight your face in a very easiest way, then keep watching. So let's start. I have this Zahoosh Sculpt palette right now with me. As you can see, इसमें 3 हमारे पास क्रीम कॉन्टोर शेड्स हैं और 3 हमारे पास पाउडर कॉन्टोर शेड्स हैं. What I prefer cream contour shades because they are easily blendable and they give you really nice sculpted effect. Now you all need to know that different skin tone के लिए हमारे पास different contouring shades होते हैं. For example, we have these 3 shades right here. One is dark contour shade, the other one is medium, and the third one is light. So if you have fair skin tone, then you will go for this light contour shade. Then if you have dark skin tone, then you will go for this dark contour shade. और अगर medium skin tone है तो आप medium की तरफ जाएंगे. So through this contour palette मैं सिर्फ आप लोगों को ये बताना चाहती थी कि हमारे पास different contour shades होते हैं different skin tones के लिए. So for this video I am using this NYX Wonder Stick. Because if you are a beginner, then I would suggest you to go for contour sticks, because उसके बाद अगर आप पैलेट्स की तरफ जाएंगे, क्योंकि उनको हमें ब्रश से अप्लाई करना होता है, तो वो थोड़ा सा, अगर आप बिगिनर हैं तो वो आपके लिए थोड़ा सा मुश्किल हो जाता है. सो लेट्स स्टार्ट. सो कॉन्टोरिंग के लिए हमारे पास कौन कौन से एरियाज़ होते हैं, और फोरहेड और चीकबोन्स और नोज़ or lips and or jawline. Starting from my forehead first, just apply it like this and stop it here. What some people do, they connect this line right with their cheekbone and then they do like this, which is totally wrong, क्योंकि आप लोगों ने अपने जो चीक बोन्स हैं उसको इन्हेंस करना है. अगर आप अपना कॉन्टोर शेड यहाँ से डायरेक्ट अप्लाई करेंगे, देन व्हेन यू विल ब्लेंड इट तो ये मिक्सड अप हो जाएगा. सो आफ्टर दैट डू द सेम ऑन द अदर साइड, एंड या दिस इज़ इन द शेड लाइट मीडियम. Now from the starting point of your ear, this is where you need to contour your cheekbones. I'm just following my cheekbones. Do the same on your other side and make sure that both lines should be equal, and stop it right here near your smile lines. Now for my jawline, I'm simply following where the bone of my jawline is. Now for the nose, follow where the starting point of your eyebrow is and stop it right here. Do the same on the other side. We have to make our nose thin, so make sure to apply the lines this way, and do not apply this on the sides of your nose. Apply it in the central tip of your nose, so through this it will look more pointed. Now I'm applying it on the lower lips. Now with the back of a beauty blender, I am just blending it in the upward direction. Now blending it from my forehead. Do not blend it all over your forehead, just keep it to the point where you have applied the contour stick. Make sure to blend all the harsh lines. Now for my nose, starting it from the tip and blending it into my skin. Do not blend it all over the sides of your nose, keep it to the point. Now you can see how slimmer my nose is looking. Blending it from my jawline. If you have a double chin, then it will help you to cover it. Blending it near my lips, and it will give them a fuller lips effect. Now you can see the contouring is done. Now moving towards the highlighting. Using the same stick as it is double-ended. Now remember that for highlighting you always go for one tone lighter concealer shade than your foundation shade. Starting again from my forehead first. You need to highlight this area of your forehead. Bring it down to your nose where you didn't apply the contour, in the center and on the tip also. Now covering my dark circles, and I'm applying it closer to my nose. Highlighting my chin also. Make a triangle like this. Now blending it with a different beauty blender. Do not use the same blender which you have used while contouring. Now I'm taking this translucent powder to set my under eyes like this. Little bit on the sides of my nose too. And now we are done with the contouring and highlighting. I hope this video will help you to learn about the contouring and highlighting techniques. Do let me know if you have some other suggestions that you want me to film for you guys. Thank you guys for watching. Don't forget to subscribe my YouTube channel and hit the notification bell. Thank you. Allah Hafiz.